Hey son, me and your dad are going out tonight.
Okay, so I'll be here by myself?
You know you're not old enough yet, so I called Auntie Marin to babysit.
No, not Auntie Karen.
It's Marin.
It might as well be Karen. She's mean.
It's only for a couple of hours. Hey nephew, you ready to have some fun?
You mean bored?
I see you're still a little brat.
No, you just don't let me do what I want to do.
Well anyways, do your homework or read a book.
It's summer. I don't have any homework.
Okay, then read a book.
Okay, yeah, in your dreams.
There you go, always on your phone. You don't need no more electronics.
Okay, well, I don't need a new uncle every Valentine's Day either.